Now we installing connect the 14 unit with the 3rd unit. See, important one is this row is must is on the middle of the double wheel, in this side, in this position. Keep it on here. Keep the rule with the middle in the balance in the one line.
看一下两边儿，这边是中心的时候，然后这两边要一，距离一定要一。
这两边距离是吧？
对，但是中心呢，你别斜了
啊。
左右别斜着。
When this rule on the middle, so you must keep the distance this side and distance this is the same distance. Okay, so this is must pay attention to do this to ensure this is on the middle. See, this is a 5 wheel, but it's in the second. From this side to this side is the second one and the 3rd one on the middle.
再来一点，稍微来一点，再来一点，再来一点，对，别动了，别动了啊！对，站着吧，对。
这是对好了是吧？
对。
第3组、第2组对好了，第3、第2组没有别的地方了解是吧？
没有。
包括这个距离呢，这两个地方的距离呢？距离怎么控制？
距离量一下也行，用眼看一下。
两边距离一样。
这个放。
啊，这
比来着这个比来就放，然后这个。
The give to build, the give to build is must same, two side must same.
然后这个放是这个状态。
Yeah, this rule on the middle, and also the between the two built is the give is same, and the same is on this side, there and there. So now the 3rd unit is finished the contact.